too close. No, we're staying here.
They're trying to find a secure place. Dad, Mom, you know, they sleep upside down.
Yeah, they're dangling, look.
Wait, no, Bella. You wait here for your dad.
How many is that?
So many.
Curry now. Curry. Want you to curry me now.
Okay, so.
Island. There is some cow living on them.
Yeah.
Also, some of the island is being used by the community for agriculture. But what they do in the season of agriculture, like by the time of digging and doing stuff like that, they come as a family.
How do you know they're not just young?
Maybe they are.
Wait, is this a single picture or is it a video?
It's a video.